Hello everyone, today we'll be cooking mushroom scallops and mushroom shish kebabs with Chef TJ at Harvest Seasonal Grill. The two mushrooms that we'll be using are the lion's mane and the king trumpet mushroom. We had diced the lion's mane up into nugget shaped slices and then long ways cut the king trumpet mushrooms. Then we begin to skew them, and we're skewing some other vegetables, red peppers and baby tomatoes. So here we have our tray all laid out. We put a little oil on them, and all that's going to do is basically help us season them and have a little bit of salt or whatever seasonings you want, like the Old Bay we're going to use, to stick to our mushrooms before roasting. Here we basically just rolled them over so we can get good cooks on both sides of the skewed mushrooms and vegetables. And same goes for the king trumpets. Flip them till you get that nice little browning. As you can see, now we have them on our plates, looking very nice. Now here we have our scallops. Basically just cut the king trumpet sideways. If you want to, you can season your pan, put all the mushrooms in there, roll them around, and then put them in your cast iron, whatever type of pan you have, hot pan with oil in the bottom. That'll get a nice browning on your mushrooms. Here we have them. We cooked them until we just get that nice browning on them, and then flip them. Here we are flipping them again. They're looking just great. Here we have our final product. Here's our skewers, our scallops, mushroom scallops with couscous. This is a very, very simple mushroom meal. Makes things look awesome and taste really good. Adds that nice meaty texture, especially if you're vegan. It's a great option. Really quick and easy to do as well. Here we have them, ready to eat. The flavors were absolutely awesome. Everything about them was just great. Couscous was great. The mushrooms are great. Added this nice meaty texture to the meal. And all around, just a solid 10 out of 10. Also, if you guys want to try these awesome mushrooms, you can visit the Harvest restaurant in Montage. I'll leave a link to it in the description. And there's also a bunch of other locations which you can check out with some awesome, awesome dishes. Thanks for watching, everyone. Thank you, TJ, for those awesome meals. And if you guys want to see more of these kinds of videos, linking up with my chefs, cooking different things, or even I could go out of the way and just cook a bunch of things for you and show you what I can make with these awesome mushrooms, let me know in the comments. And if you like mushrooms in general, I'll be posting a bunch of different videos on the channel, so go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell.